Malibu 9, Lima Delta, runway 20, clear to land.
20, clear to land, 569 Lima Delta. All right, that's coming in.
Landing lights on, 3 green, runway appears clear. Recommend we continue. So it's been a little bumpy. We have 20 flaps, 20 degrees of flaps, and we're in the white arc, so if we decide for full flaps, and it's not a foregone conclusion when it's this bumpy, we'll add them as we need them. Some would argue that you need to be fully configured at the final approach fix for landing. And I agree. And in fact, gear extended and 10 flaps is indeed a landing configuration. So as we get closer and the conditions change one way or the other, I feel it's appropriate to add flaps as needed. And I see nothing to the contrary anywhere, 500. So that's the way we do it. At this point, we're right at 100 knots, right on the glide path. That's really nothing to do. As we get closer, if the bumps subside and captain wants to add full flaps, that's fine. Otherwise, we make partial flaps landing.
Minimums.
Well, it's a little gusty out here today, so
4 Yankee on 5 mile final, runway 20.
Recommend we stick with partial flaps.
Sirius
Doesn't change the numbers. Be 90 over the numbers 85 in the flare.
Number 1, runway 20, clear to land.
Let's get that left thumb up on the trim.
Number 1, clear to land, runway 20.
And be ready. Slightly left to center, correcting. Looking good. Take your time. Let it land. Don't you try to land it. Okay, now just hold it off with your thumb, with your left thumb. Yep, hold it off. Going to take right rudder for sure when you raise the nose. Not yet. Right there. Yep. Straighten the pedals, lower the nose. Back pressure with brakes. Try not to dance on the rudders. Toes up and brakes with back pressure. Yep, nicely done. Dick Rochfort. Fly safely. Train off it.